Hi, this is Gian Roberts with I Am Masterminds, and this is your quick tip of the day. Hello, Master EDU students. This is another module to how to install a WordPress blog on your own web host. And the goal here was to create a few, maybe 5 to 10 niche blogs, and then aggregate or automate content onto these blogs, allowing you to get traffic from Google through fresh new content on your blog. So this video is, I think, the 4th video in the series. The first video we covered how to install a WordPress blog. The second video we covered how to add plugins to your WordPress blog. The third video we showed you how to customize the theme and the look, and customize the affiliate links on your WordPress blog. And this blog is going to show you how to automate content that you post to your blog so that Google will pick it up, and if you're adding fresh new content to your blog, Google will actually come to your blog every single day and index the content which is posted on your blog. So the reason that we want to automate this process is so that we don't have to keep manually typing in data into our blog. The data will automatically go to our blog, because one thing that we know is that being human and being a human being and not a robot, is that you have better things to do than to sit there and post things to your blog. So we're going to show you how to find content that's related to your topic area, and then aggregate it and mash it up and have it post to your blog. Alright, so what we use to do this aggregation system is a broadcast system called RSS Feed, which is a syndicated feed that each blog produces, and I'm going to describe to you and show you where you can find RSS feeds on each blog that's on the internet. Also, I'm going to show you what mashup is. Mashup is when you take a few RSS feeds and you mix them up in a random order, and then you create a new RSS feed from that random content that you just grabbed from other blogs or other websites, and then you mash it up into a new RSS feed so it's unique content according to Google's logarithm. Alright, then I'm going to show you a couple different ways to import this data into your WordPress blog. The first is called the Feed WordPress plugin, and we already installed that in an earlier video, but now we're going to show you how to actually use the RSS. We're going to add RSS to the plugin, and it's going to start automatically updating your blog with new fresh content every few hours or so. And then the last method we're going to talk about is how you can get data feeds from websites like Amazon.com and import this data feed into your blog, allowing you not only to post new content, but also post your affiliate link to that content. So every time somebody clicks on a link from your blog and goes to this Amazon.com, for instance, you will get a commission on the sale. So just like Anthony's site, you could create a data feed, and all a data feed is basically a series of blog posts that have already been typed out, and then the data feed will post these every few hours or whatever point you set. So if you want it every 6 hours, it will post one every 6 hours. We're going to show you how to do that in this video. Now, before we start going into this video is a little more on the advanced side, actually a lot more on the advanced side. So if you don't understand it right away, you might have to watch this video a few times and totally get what we're talking about as far as RSS feeds, mashups, RSS aggregation, and data feed aggregation. Alright, so listen and watch, and I'm going to take you step by step through the process, and hopefully you'll catch on a little bit better as we go. Okay, we're here on the blog that we created together. We have the title customized, or you should have your title customized. We should have our affiliate links to our blog here, and we can customize it even further by adding our social media links here. And we should update it with our information at the bottom here, and that will be it. So now it's time to start adding content to this, and I want to automate some content, and then when we want to really push something, we can put manual post. But first I wanted to show you what RSS feed looks like. So if you go up here where it says news feed or comment feed, and we open that up in a new tab, we're going to get a look at what RSS feeds look like. Alright, so here's all the RSS feeds that we have on this particular blog. Okay. And so RSS feed is really this URL up here is our RSS feed, which is on a WordPress blog, it's feed/feed/RSS. So we can see that up there. And this is what we would need to aggregate this content. So aggregating means it's going to take this little blurb here and aggregate it throughout the internet if we share the RSS feed. So it's a form of broadcasting. And it's a little list, text list of everything on our blog. So in order to aggregate content, what we need is RSS feeds from other people's blogs, or news feeds from Google or Yahoo, and then go to plugins here. I'm sorry, we're supposed to click on syndication. Syndication. This is the feed WordPress plugin, and it will give us a syndication button once that's installed. And it's up here as syndicate sites. It says add a source, and so what we're going to need is to get an RSS feed. Now if you just take an RSS feed from somebody else's blog, it's going to post the exact same information that's on their blog on your blog, which is not really unique content. And Google may look at it as being the same website, even though it has different names. Google is a search engine, and Google will come out and search for new content and is trying to index your content so that other people can find it. So what we like to use is something called Yahoo Pipes. And what you can do with Yahoo Pipes is simply create a simple little pipe. It's a free tool from Yahoo. It's at pipes.yahoo.com. Set up an account with Yahoo Pipes, and then simply set up a pipe. And what you want to do is drag this fetch feed over here. You're going to fetch feed, okay, you're going to put that over here in the grid. I already have one here. And then you're going to pull the filter from over here. You'll just find it and put it over here. And right now I have it filtering out words related to Twitter. And then output. Okay, and this outputs your pipe. And they are stringed together by a little tube, where they are, or a little pipe as they call it. Now what you want to go do is go to Yahoo and search for things related to your topic. In this case I'm looking for things for Twitter, and then copy the URL that it gives you up here in the search bar. So let's go and search for something. So I'm going to go to Yahoo. Yahoo. So just go to Yahoo / or not / just Yahoo. Alright, then type a topic that's a keyword that you're interested in. Let's say it's bears, just to be ridiculous. Alright, so let's say your keyword is bears. You type in search. Alright, that's your search. Now what you're going to do is copy this URL up here, and you're going to go back to your Yahoo pipe and paste it in the little box here. Alright, and that's how you're going to get your Yahoo pipes. Search. You also can go to sites like you can type in sites.ezine.com. Alright, you can go to Go Articles, go to Yahoo. So what you do in that case is you hit, so you want to find everything related to bears on like Go Articles. So you go site, up here you go site, Go Articles, articles.com, and you put a plus sign and bear. So everything that's indexed at goarticles.com, yeah. So everything that's indexed at the site, SITE : goarticles.com, plus sign, and then quotes, your keyword, everything related to bears on goarticles.com is here. So what you do here is you copy this URL up here, copy that, and paste it into your Yahoo pipes. You also can go to news.google and news at Yahoo, Yahoo Answers, and then you can search other blogs related to your topic, get their RSS feeds, and place them here. You can go to YouTube, Technorati, any bookmarking site. All these websites have RSS feeds related to your topic. So you just paste it in here, and you can paste in as many as you want. Alright, that's going to go through, and then you put a filter on it, and you filter out, in this case it would be bears if we're researching bears. So anything related to bears, it will be filtered. So any items containing the word bear in it, it will go through this pipe and go into our output. So it's going to mash up all these RSS feeds and then give us a unique signature or a unique feed. Then it's going to give us a new RSS feed. So I'm going to stop the video for a second, go get the RSS feed and show you how to do that. But first I have to close this window down. So okay, once you get your pipe finished, it's going to give it a unique ID, a Yahoo Pipes, and then it's going to give you an RSS feed, and this is where it says get RSS feed. You just click on that button. It's going to take you to a new window. I'm going to pause it while it does that. Alright, so we've seen this RSS feed page before. It looks just like the one that's on our blog. So these are the RSS feeds from various websites like Yahoo News and different article sites, things like that, Twitter itself, YouTube, Facebook. It's all in here. So aggregating content, and this is all content that can be placed on our blog automatically without us touching it. All we need to do is now copy the RSS feed, which is this URL up here. It's like a channel, right, on your TV. You're going to copy this channel to the syndication box right here. It says add new source, and click on syndicate. And down here it says use this feed, so we're going to use that feed. Now keep in mind that this is not affiliate links to these things. It's just for getting content so that we can get Google on our side and coming to our website on a continuous basis. So it should be related to your keywords. Alright, so type in your main keyword into this Yahoo pipe, and then it will go out and search all the content on the internet about your topic, place it in this Yahoo pipe, and then this Yahoo, the syndication plugin, will go out and check for new feeds every 30 minutes or so. And you can also do manual checks here. So if you want to see if it's checked here, it also says it's turned off. Automatic updates is turned off, so we're going to go turn that on, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Alright, so it said took 1 second. 89 new posts were syndicated on our blog. See, it says 89 new posts. So I hit manual update, 89 new posts. So I want to show you how you can automate this. So every 60 minutes or so, or maybe 6 hours or so, whatever you want, however long you want it to update. So I think this is the button. Hold on, I'm going to say for sure. Yeah. Alright, so you click on the settings button under syndication. Alright, settings under the syndication tab, and at the very top of the syndication settings, you'll see it says check for updates. You want to click on the down button there and click on automatically. So that should switch to automatically. There we go. And now we're going to go down to the bottom where it says save settings. Yep, save changes, and click OK. Alright, now when this first starts syndicating, sometimes it takes 12 to 24 hours for it to start going, but once it starts going, it will be on a consistent basis. And there you go, it's automated posting to your blog, and it's going to go out and get content related to your topic using the Yahoo pipe that we just created. And we just created 89 new posts to our blog without actually doing anything. We just let this filter or this plugin post it automatically. And let's see if we can view some of these, what they look like. Alright, so this is automatically going to the thing it's syndicated. So that's another setting that you might want to change. You want to keep the visitor on your website. And so we're going to go back to syndication settings. Alright, we went to syndication and then syndication post, and under here you scroll down a little bit from the top, syndication post settings, and we want to keep people on our blog, and we have it customized so there will be a little link there, so you can change this back and forth anytime that you want to. And sometimes you might want them to go right to this website, just pass the link juice on to somebody else. But we want to keep the link juice on our blog so that Google ranks our website as an authority site in our marketplace. So we want to point the local copy to this website. So it's going to copy some data. We also want to allow comments and pingbacks. So we can set that right here and save changes. Okay, excuse me. We posted the post through this plugin called Feed WordPress, and it allows us to syndicate the RSS feed. And so it did 89 of them. That's just 100 posts without us typing anything. I wanted to look at the post. Usually has maybe a little image that goes along with it, some basic type, and then some links back to the original content. So here's an image that it posted. It's not going to be a whole robust feed or post, but it's just a little snippet of what the post is about and then some links back to the original article. So this should link back to this image, should enlarge into a new window or back to the original article at the latimes.com. Alright. So we are helping the person browsing the internet looking for information about Sarah Palin find the information. We're just aggregating content, we're providing a useful service, and we're also getting love from Google because we're helping organize the content on the internet. So that's basically how you automate the posting process. So we have Google coming to our website. They're loving us because we're giving them fresh new content, and they are rewarding us for it by giving us traffic. Alright, so that is going to be the end to the RSS feed part of this discussion. The second part of the discussion is data feeds. And data feed is a more complex subject, and we're not going to go into full detail in this video. But to give you some idea what a data feed is usually an e-commerce store or an aggregated affiliate service like a CPA network will have a data feed. And let's say you signed up for Amazon.com's affiliate program. You could have access to their data feeds. Let's say you were looking up cell phones. Alright, and so when you type in cell phones and you put T-Mobile or something like that in here, if you spell it wrong like I did, it's still going to find some kind of data related to cell phones. And so what Yahoo or Amazon uses is a data feed. Alright, this one's asking for a zip code. So these data feeds, if you're signed up for Amazon.com as an affiliate, you can get this information sent to you as a data feed. Alright. So you can get those images, the description, the pricing, and it will also come with your affiliate link. Now, to get this data feed in an organized format that you can use on your blog, you're going to need a piece of software that you can get through affiliatetrafficmachine.com. It's Jeff Johnson's website. His brother Mike Johnson developed this software called the Affiliate Traffic Machine. You can sign up for your Amazon affiliate program or get data feeds from CPA networks, or you can get data feeds from other websites that have e-commerce websites. I'm trying to click on these tabs here, it's not working too well. Alright, and this software is very simple. If I was looking for cell phones, I would type cell phones up here. Down here I would click on electronics or cell phones or whatever category fit best. Alright, so electronics I'll click on. And then it's going to output me a file with a bunch of posts in a CSS format, which is a table format that's like a WordPress Excel sheet that will allow me to upload it to my blog. Okay, once this ATM Pro software downloads the feed, it's going to create an RSS database for us. We're going to go to our back office in our blog, click on Tools, and then Import. Click on Browse over here. It usually sets up a directory called ATM Pro. Click on it. Let's say we're doing cell phones. Alright, if we hover over it, it should tell us that's an RSS feed. It is RSS file. You're going to hit Open and update the file or upload the file. It will take a few minutes. Once it's done, you'll see a menu like this that says imported posts, 10 posts. Okay, if we go back to our post tab here, let's see what it updated or sent to our blog, and we're gonna have to do some hunting for it because we have so many posts here that we're not going to find it in the traditional way. So I'm going to search for it. I'll be right back. Okay, we imported our RSS feed from our data feed, and I found one of the links related to our topic, clicked on View, and opened it up in a new tab. And here's what the data feed looks like. It's a more robust feed. Has a lot more information and content related to our topic. It also has reviews and ratings that I got from Amazon.com. And if we click on any of the links, it's going to go back to our affiliate link over at Amazon.com or our CPA network or wherever we got the data feed from. Our affiliate links are going to be embedded into it. And if they wish to purchase, Amazon.com is going to handle all the merchant account information and collect the data and ship the product out for us, and then they'll pay us a commission on the sale. Very, very simple process and a great way to aggregate content. Also, if we're using PPC, we can now just send people back to our blog as opposed to sending it back to Amazon.com. And we could also add more data to this RSS or this data feed to RSS. We could have popovers as well to capture people's names and email addresses. We could have advertisement here. We could, collect people's email address and offer them a free gift since they stop by our website, or have popover videos and things like that to encourage people to sign up with us and to get further information about our products and services. And so this is a great way to not only attract Google, but to if you're using PPC advertising, you're not allowed to direct link back to Amazon.com. That's in the terms of services. So you can still direct link back to Amazon.com from your blog, but just not through PPC advertising. So you can't use Amazon.com in your PPC advertising, but you can use your own blog name like 360imteam.com. So this is a way to work around that, and also it will get you SEO traffic as well, because Google will come and index this information as well, and then your website you'll start seeing in the search engines. In the next videos, we're going to talk about using social media, creating backlinks to your website, and getting you even more traffic. Until then, I'm going to sign off, and I hope this video was informative and instructional. These are advanced strategies that you can use to aggregate content on your blog. I highly encourage that you watch this video a few times, because this information I just shared with you is one of the top secrets that affiliate marketers use to get lots of traffic to their website and to sell a lot of stuff. So I hope that you use it as well in your business. Until then, I'm signing off. Hi, this is Gian Roberts with I Am Masterminds. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you'd like more tutorials like this one, please visit my quick tips area at my website, iammasterminds.net. That's iammasterminds.net. Also, I host a weekly webinar where I give free prizes and gifts, so be sure to register for that when you go to the website. Also, give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe to this video and my channel on YouTube. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.